Hello, my name is Subhendu Das and I am a mathematics teacher at Melbourne. And today I am going to teach you one of the most important topic, that is linear equation in two variables for class 10. As we have completed 11 lectures on this topic, today we will do some word problems on it. So the question number 1, and we learn how to convert into equation and how to find how to solve it. So 37 pence and 53 pencils together cost rupees 955, while 53 pence and 37 pencils together cost rupees 1150. Find the cost of a pen and a pencil. So here it is given that the cost of 37 pens and 53 pencils together is cost rupees 955, while 53 pence and 37 pence together cost rupees 1115. So find the cost of a pen and a pencil. So now coming to the solve section. So let the cost of, as we don't know the cost of a pen and a pencil, we should have to assume. Cost of a pen is rupees X and the cost of a pencil is rupees Y. Now 37 pens, so 37 X, 53 pencils, that is 53 Y, together cost rupees 955. That will be equation number 1. Now 53 pens, that is 53X, plus 37 pencils, that is 37Y, cost together 1115. That will be equation number 2. Now if you subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2, if you subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, what you will get, 16x minus 16y will be equals to 160. Now you can see that 16 is common, so 16 into x minus y, it will be 160. So here x minus y will be 160 by 16, that is 10. So x minus y is 10. That will be equation number 3. Now if you add equation number 1 and equation number 2, adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, what you will get, if you add, you will get 90x plus 90y is equals to 2070. So here x plus y will be 2070 by 90. That means here 23. So it will be 23. That is equation number 4. Now after adding equation number 3 and equation number 4, so after adding equation number 3 and equation number 4, you will get that x minus y is 10 and x plus y is 23. It is already in this equation number 3 and 4. So now if you add, you will get 2x is equals to 33. So here x will be 33 by 2 or 16.50 rupees. Okay. So here actually we did this one, x plus y plus x minus y. We add these two and you get is equals to 23 and 10, that is 33. Now from here you get this one. X is 16.50. Now subtracting equation number 3 from equation number 4, with subtracting we get x plus y minus of x minus y will be equals to 23 minus 10. So here x plus y minus x plus y. So x minus x cancel, it will be 13. So y will be 13 by 2 or 6.50 rupees. So that means the cost of each pen is rupees 16.50 and each pencil is rupees 6.50. Now question number 2. The question number 2, it is given the taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges and the remaining depending upon the distance traveled in kilometers. If a person travels 60 kilometers and he pays rupees 960 and for traveling 80 kilometers he pays rupees 1260. So find the fixed charges and the rate per kilometer. That is the given question. So here the taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges and the remaining depends upon the distance traveled in kilometer. If a person travels 60 kilometer and he pays 960 and the traveling 80 kilometers and he pays 1260 rupees, find the fixed charges and the rate per kilometer. So here we don't know the fixed charges and the rate of the kilometer, we need to assume this. Let the fixed charges be rupees X and other charges be rupees Y per kilometer. Now here fixed charges X plus 60 kilometer, that is 60Y, X plus 60Y, it will be 960, that will be equation number 1. Now the fixed charges plus 80 kilometers, so that is 80Y, X plus 80Y will be equals to 1260, that will be equation number 2. Now on subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2, we get that 20Y will be equals to 300. If you subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, you get 20Y is 300. So Y will be 300 divided by 20. So that means it will be 15. So Y equals to 15. Now putting the value of Y equals to 15 in equation number 1, we get X plus 60 into 15, 60 multiply 15 is equals to 960. So here X plus 60 multiply 15 is 900. So 900, the value of X, it will be 960 minus 900, it will be 60. So here the fixed charges is we assume that fixed charges is X, that is 60 rupees, and rate per kilometer is 15 rupees per kilometer. Okay, similarly, next question. A part of a monthly hostel charges in a school is fixed, and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 22 days and he has to pay rupees 4,250 as hostel charges. Whereas student B who takes food for 28 days pays rupees 5,150 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Here, so as we don't know what is the fixed charge and what is the cost for food per day, so we have to assume that let the fixed charge be rupees X per month and cost of meal or cost of food per day is rupees 1. So X is fixed charge and for 22 days that is X plus 22Y will be equals to 4,250 and that is equation number 1. Now in the equation number 2 X plus for 28 days so plus 28Y will be equals to 5,150 and that should be equation number 2. Now if you subtract, so on subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2, we get, so if you subtract 6y will be equals to 900, so y will be equals to 900 by 6, it will be 150. The value of y is 150. Now you can put the value in this equation. So now putting y is equals to 150 in equation number 1. If you put equation number 1, we get x plus 22 into 150, that will be according to the question equals to 4,250. Now if you multiply 22 with 150 will get 3300 and it will be equals to 4250. So then x is equals to 4250 minus 3300, that will be 950. So x it will be 950. So here we can say that a fixed charge is x, that is rupees 950. So you can write here in the next page. So the fixed charge are rupees 950 per month and cost of food per day is rupees 150. Now coming to the revision portion. So if you revise about the today's class, what we learned in today's class? In today's class, we learned about some word problems in the linear equation to variables. For example, the first one is given the 37 pens and 53 pencils together cost rupees 955 and 53 pens and 37 pencils together cost rupees 1115. Find the cost of a pen and a pencil. So as we don't know what is the value of a pen or the cost of a pencil, we need to assume. So the cost of a pen is rupees X and the cost of a pencil is rupees Y. So 37 pens, 37X, 53 pencils, 53Y, and it's together it will be 955. That will be equation number 1. And 53 pens, that means 53X, and 37 pencils, that will be 37Y equals to 1115. Now if you subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, you will get X minus Y is 10. Now, if you add equation number 1 with equation number 2, you will get x plus y as 23. Now, you get the equation number 3 and equation number 4. After adding equation number 3 and equation number 4, you get 2x is equal to 33 and x is equal to 33 by 2, or we can say it will be 16.50 rupees. Now, subtract equation number 3 from equation number 4, you will get x plus y minus x minus y, will get y is equals to 13 by 2, that will be 6.50. So that means the cost of each pen is 16.50 rupees and the cost of each pencil is 6.50 rupees. Now in the second question, taxi charges in the city consist of fixed charges and the remaining depends upon the distance traveled in kilometers. If a person travels 60 kilometers and he pays rupees 960 and for this traveling, and 80 kilometers for his traveling he pays rupees 1260. Find the fixed charge and the rate per kilometer. So the fixed charges is rupees X. We assume this, and the other charges, that means the cost of traveling, that will be Y rupees per kilometer. So as he travels 60 kilometers, that means the fixed charge is X plus 60Y, it will be 960 according to the question. And as he travels 80 kilometers and he has to pay 1260, that means X, it is a fixed charge, plus 80 kilometers, that will be 80Y equals to 1260. If you subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, you will get y is equals to 15. Now the y is equals to 15, you need to put in equation number 1 or equation number 2. I am putting it here, equation number 1, you will get x is equals to 60. That means a fixed charge is 60 rupees and rate per kilometer it will be 15 rupees per kilometer. And then we solve the third question. Similar method, you get y is 150 and x is 950. So I hope you enjoyed the session. All these questions are very important for exam perspective. You have to revise this again at home, and we will continue this class in the next this topic in the next class as well, and we will solve few more word problems on this topic. Thank you for joining this session. I hope all the doubts are clear, you enjoyed the session, and we will continue. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you everyone.